Musumbi William Ruto niwaendea na kuthingilila muvango wake wa kutwikithya nthi ya Kenya kati wa nthila syendee kana kuma third world nginya first world country vala Aineenea nthini wa kyathi cha miongo thanthatu na ili cha Jamhuri kiwanzani cha Nyayo musyini wa Ilovi aisie kana nthino nditonya kutwikithiwa first world country malelu mayo mena thina na kitumini kiu silikali yake nikwithiwa yailia malelu kivathukanio va Kenya undumwe na kiwanza cha ndeke cha Jomo Kenyatta kati wa maundu wangi ose ya kimanzi na mauvu.
Aineenea kyathini cha miongo thanthatu na ili cha Jamhuri ndei kiwanzani cha Nyayo standi ya musyini wa Ilovi Musumbi William Ruto eweta kana nthino ya Kenya nditonya kutw'ika kati wa nthila syendee kana first world ina thina wa malelu ayasya kana silikali yake nikwithiwa yailia na kuthanthasya malelu manene va nthi ya Kenya.
History teaches us that no nation ever prospered on poor roads, inefficient ports, and congested airports. Modern transport and logistics drive productivity, reduce the cost of doing business, and creates trade, business, and innovation and investment hubs. Our 10-year roadmap on road, rail, ports, and airports, and oil pipeline infrastructure includes the expansion of strategic highways connecting our major cities, industrial zones, markets, border points, and agricultural belts to move people, goods, and services faster, safer, and more affordably.
Kavindani kau Musumbi niwasya kana kwailia malelu nikutethesya maundu ma miendele misyi minene va Kenya ondumwe na kwailia maundu ma utandithya aithingilila kana ingi no kuthanthasya mutambo wa mboki wa Kenya Railway kuthi isyo kivathukanio va Kenya ondumwe na kambuni ula wa mauta wa Kenya Pipeline kuthi nthi mutui ya Uganda ondumwe na kiwanza cha ndeke cha Jomo Kenyatta.
We have mapped out 2,500 kilometers of highway for dualing and 28,000 kilometers of road across the Republic for tarmacking. With this, we are stitching our country together, linking towns to cities, farms to factories. We moved from promise to action when we officially launched the construction of the Nairobi-Nakuru-Mau Summit Road and the Nairobi-Mayo-Naivasha Road, an investment of over 180 billion in a modern 223-kilometer multi-lane dual carriageway delivered through a public-private partnership model. In February 2026, just in 3 months from now, we will begin extending the standard gauge railway from Naivasha to Kisumu and Malaba. And later in the year, extend the oil pipeline from Eldoret to Uganda, opening a new transport corridor with our neighbors and with the continent. At the same time, we will modernize Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and several other airports to enhance connectivity and ease the movement of people, goods, and services.
Yingi Musumbi William Ruto niwasya kana nukwalia ukwati wa Kenya kweka kumya zindu sya mbange thansi syanza ayathana kusoviwa kwa masilanga manene isyo kivathukanio ni kana kwailia nima na unyithya wa miunda va Kenya.
We must decisively shift our economy from dependence on imports to becoming a net exporter of agricultural products, manufactured goods, and value-added commodities. Kenya today spends nearly 500 billion shillings every year importing agricultural products. While we have reduced imports of maize, sugar, edible oil, rice, our progress is still constrained by the limitations of rain-fed agriculture.
ngirivotia vilingi wa maovo Mutongoi TV Ozea Kimanzi.